Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an outline drawing. You will need the photo or still life in front of you. You will also need to have a paper, some pencils, erasers, and a scrap paper. Before you start with your main drawing, work out the composition of what you want to create first on a scrap piece of paper. This will help you to create a good composition. Now you are ready to start drawing. Make sure that your photograph is open or your composition is arranged in front of you. Start by drawing very lightly. If your objects are symmetrical, help yourself by drawing symmetry line first. Lightly draw up a general shapes of your objects. You can see that I'm doing it very delicately. Those lines are there just to help me. It's not a proper shape of my object yet. I'm going to correct it later. When you are drawing, look between your drawing and whatever you are drawing constantly. It might be a picture of your still life or a still life that you set up in front of you. It is very important. Without it, you cannot record your shapes and proportions correctly. After you're happy with the general shapes and positions of your objects, you can start correcting your drawing and include more of the details. Use eraser as you go to keep your drawing nice and tidy. More you observe your image, more and more details you can add to your drawing. Move your eyes between your drawing and your image and work on recording details. In this drawing, we concentrate on outlines only, so I don't want to see any shading. You need to record all of the details as lines only. When you finish recording the details in the form of lines, you will need to tidy up the drawing to make sure that it looks the best for your submission. First, get rid of all of the unnecessary lines and anywhere in your image that might be dirty or have lines that are not correct. The next step is to use different type of pencils to help you show which areas of the image are lighter or darker. I'm using some H pencils for a lighter lines and some B pencils, 3B and 6B for darker lines. Go around your image and play with the width of your lines. So lines that are around the areas that are darker, you should use some B pencils and go over those lines, making them thicker, increasing their width. Lines that are in the areas that are lighter or are in the areas where there is only a delicate amount of information in the line should be lighter and thinner. This is also when you need to start recording more details in your drawing. So observe what is in front of you or in your image and add more details so your drawing can look as realistic as possible. Move around an image and add details in various places. Don't overwork just one place. Make sure that you are resolving all of the details in all of the objects in your still life. Remember, lines from the side of the object that it's dark should be darker and thicker. Lines in the details and from the lighter side of the object should be much lighter and thinner. Add any necessary details, assess your drawing, and make sure that you are happy with the result. Remember to photograph this drawing in good lighting condition and to edit the image before submitting it. I hope that you will enjoy creating this outline drawing. Thank you!